Hi guys, Stuart from Oz Industries here. It's the 23rd of September 2025. Today's discussion is about some events that have come to light for the April 2026 long range forecast, which will be released on Friday this week. Um, this is to do with the northern tropics, mostly the northwest, and with flow-on effects into the western interior and possibly into South Australia. So, South Australian farmers would want to be paying attention to this one, as it may indicate an early seasonal break with extensive rainfall. So, leading into week two, it should be the final phase of the monsoon. And with that, again, it's in the northwest predominantly. We'll see tropical low begin to form around the Joseph Bonaparte Gulf. What's interesting too is that there's a strong high pressure system that's also expected to be building at the same time. And this will drive strong southeasterlies up on the east coast, which indicates that first change of season for northeast Queensland. It can interact with the eastern edge of the monsoon and bring a bit of a low pressure system to the Gulf, but it's not really what the point of this is. What that'll do though is it'll drive easterlies across the northern interior. So any system that forms to the north, particularly west of Darwin, should go to the west, southwest. And that's what I'm expecting, that a system develops, pushes to the southwest while intensifying offshore in the Indian Ocean. By week three, we should see a well-defined tropical cyclone. This time of year, high probability of being a high-end tropical cyclone, particularly with this current setup and with the current oceanic features that are expected to develop over the next few months for the northern Indian Ocean itself. So high-end category, 3 to 5 cyclone is likely by midweek three, and the system's then likely to track to the west southwest before recurving to the southeast with landfall around the 17th to the 20th of April, 2026. Landfall is likely between Port Hedland and 80 Mile Beach, more likely around that De Grey mark. And we saw a tropical cyclone cross a similar sort of coastline last year. It was a tropical cyclone Zelia, which is also a category 5. What happens next, though, is the key part. Although category 5 or something's not something to sneeze at, it's the rainfall that we're likely to see for what has been very dry regions over the last 12 to 18 months. So an inland trough is likely to form through the Western Australian interior, moving into early week 4. So that'll draw the system well into the interior. Following that, an upper trough pushes across the southwest coast, again, that early part of week 4, and that'll steer the system well into the the central interior. So from the Pilbara interior through, the southeast of West Australia towards South Australia itself. And this is likely to see rainfall extending towards the end of the month for region through the central interior, from the northwest into parts of South Australia itself. So you'll see that northwest flow that gets drawn into the interior with a broad tropical low that decays into a tropical low, extratropical system. So yeah, just something to monitor. I'll post this to the top of my profile so we can follow along with this over the months ahead. And the official forecast will drop on Friday this week, which is the 26th of September. So long range members, annual subscribers, you'll get all the information, the timeline, progression of events, the when and the where. It'll be out Friday. Cheers.